side, so you get the outboarder straight. The bow will be straighter, and the ice will not go so far down.
But we need it to go down and work habitate.
Yeah, but when you get the engine more in the right angle, you will see it.
Yeah, but I think you're trying to go too much. I think you just need a little bit.
The whole way. It's not that when you see the engine.
I disagree.
You cannot change in the other direction.
No, I understand, but
we cannot go up. It's another problem.
No, but you want to bring that pitch. You want to bring it 2-3 inches out.
Yeah, that's straight. And the other way you can go back. It's not a problem because you cannot go closer. You cannot go this way.
Well, you could. Yeah. Okay.
You know, you have to.
You got bolts. You got a bolt. You got a bolt to move. Yeah.
You have to.
I'm the captain today.
The moment we complete there, our outboard is like this. When we go complete, we not like right, we can go one back. You know what I mean?
What are we going to get? What are we going to gain? We're going to gain.
So I want this bubble there at the back.
Okay.
Change. And push it to the other straight. Okay. The moment we make the other one, we go to the up.
Well, that's your goddamn exhaust. You know that, right? That's small street exhaust. We'll bring it 2 inches up. How we doing this sort? Where are we going?
She gets it.
Still good?
Yeah, it's really good, but how many we have on the engine, like we say?
Okay. Look the edge.
Not bad, 1 hour.
Di ba nila lima? Tapos between.
It's a nice boat now. Nice.
Tapos din na si Tita
Nice.
doon, ha?
What do you think she's going to do?
I think get wet.
Get wet? Yeah, I'm sure she's going to get wet.
Which is you. I think there's another switch. There's another here too. How does the switch come?
It's a little tough.
Okay. This is this one, this one, this one. Okay. Yeah, 7.1. I think when it comes up. Yeah. 7.3. It's good. We go
But I'm surprised with this. I didn't expect 6 knots.
Yeah, heavy.
Yeah. No, I'm surprised with it.